Hi you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hello. My name is Maya Nyambura, aka the Massive Mama. So I want to do Christmas decorating. It's so late. Today is the 21st of December and I don't think I'll be able to do everything, but at least I'll set up the tree and maybe clean up the house. So, have you subscribed yet? Is this your kind of thing? Kindly join the family and hit the subscribe button. So, let's go! So, this is how my house looks like at the moment. Those are Christmas toys. And I also got to update my washing machine. These are traditional washing machine. If you are from Kenya, you already know what these are. So that's how my house looks like. And I just moved the toys. I want to clean it up. And then I set up the tree over there. Nemo. Yeah. Look, Nemo. Give me this one. No, this one is small. So, yeah. Yay. Bye. Huh? Yay. Yay. Go down. Another one. Give me. 2 balls. 1. No, behind.
Mom.
Mom.
Here's the mommy says bye-bye.
No, bye-bye. No, bye-bye. These are from last year. I had bought decoration from House of Leather. So these are from last year and the tree. So we're just putting it up. Jingle bell, jingle bell. Have a fun, it's alright.
You carry me like this.
Put the star. Oh, you can't reach it. Okay, down you go. Was that scary? A little bit?
That is a little bit fun. And then put the star and then you light after the star.
Merry Christmas! So, I had rainbow ones for last year. But now I want I think they call them fairy light. So this one will go in Amani's bedroom on her bed, and this one is the one going to the tree.
It's gonna be Christmas.
the sign, okay? You don't want to drop the tree.
You don't
And then like, oh,
Hold up, hold up, hold up.
it's falling! Let's run away!
Get out of here.
Okay.
Look at that star. No! It's not going to fall.
Why?
It's going to stand. Look. Can we look at it now?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Okay. We did it! We did it! Give me high 10! High 10! And whoopsie! We did it! Come Nima! Come Nima! Come Nima! Come baby! Look! Come baby! Come baby! Come baby! Come baby! Come baby! Wow! Where's the present? Jingle, jingle! Oh my god! Yeah. So the Christmas tree is up. I am done decorating with Amani's help, Imani's help, and Zane's help. But now the house looks messy. That's the only thing remaining, so I'll tidy up. Give me a baby. So first we clean. First we clean up. What is it, guys? Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Wishing you nothing but the best. Joy, peace, love, and healing, restoration in your life. Let's claim for the year 2023. Bye, guys. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye. Everybody, bye-bye. Hip, hip.
And like and subscribe.
Okay, like and subscribe.
And like and subscribe.
Yeah, Nima say.
Don't forget to like.
Don't forget to like
and share.
and share.
Cut and show
Cut.
and watch Amani's video.
Oh, thank you, Zayn. And watch Amani's adventure show.
Oh.